How we doing today, YouTube? Black Ops Show Services here. Dennis Taylor, founder, CEO. Just want to give you guys a little information in regards to 5 things that make a install go smooth. These are the top 5, at least in my opinion anyway. It helps out. So, number 1, that the freight comes in on time. It always helps when the freight comes in on time. That way you have no delays in getting started on the job. Number 2, having the guys show up on time. Make sure everybody's at the booth space, ready to go. Not coming in at 8 o'clock, but in the booth space, ready to work at 8 o'clock. Our days usually start at 8 a.m. So I tell my guys, when you're on time, you're late. When you're early, you're on time. So I like to have my guys get there at least 15, 20, 30 minutes earlier so they can be ready to go, not getting their coffee or whatever, but ready to go at 8 o'clock to start the job. And then, of course, I like to make sure that the electrical is down, so that way there's no holdups, and make sure that the electrical is correct in the right locations. And then thirdly, I like to also make sure that the prints and renderings are current and accurate and up to date for the install that we'll be doing on that particular day. And then I also next would like to make sure that we have all the supplies needed, whether it be shrink wrap, banding, whatever, tape. Most times the clients will send their own tape to cut back on their costs. So we want to make sure we have all the supplies needed to get the booth back. We have the vis clean down, put that over the carpet, over the vinyl, protect the carpet and vinyl from any damages during the install. And then as a bonus, we like to have some good music playing in the background for the guys. Helps motivate them. It helps the day go by faster, and everybody's happy when they're working to some good music. So those are a few things that I want to mention and help make a install go very smooth and successful. And lastly, we like the guys to work safely and take their time and get their job done in a safe and efficient manner. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We got more stuff coming to teach you more about the convention and trade show industry. As we always say, in parting, Black Ops out. Have a good day.